हेलो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम HPTET के प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम से जीके पोर्शन को स्टार्ट करेंगे। ये वीडियो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में रहेगी। पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन से मिल जाएगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद पार्ट 3। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ मैटर? नंबर 1 एयर, नंबर 2 फीलिंग ऑफ कोल्ड, नंबर 3 डस्ट, नंबर 4 ह्यूमिडिटी। Correct answer will be feeling of cold. 10 degrees Celsius temperature is equal to number 1 163 Kelvin, number 2 10 Kelvin, number 3 183 Kelvin, number 4 283 Kelvin. Correct answer will be 283 Kelvin. Which of the following is not a metal? Number 1 copper, number 2 silver, number 3 lead, number 4 bismuth. Correct answer will be bismuth. Which of the following is not a compound? Number 1 marble, number 2 brass, number 3 quicklime, number 4 washing soda. Correct answer will be brass. The state of water at 100 degrees Celsius is number 1 solid, number 2 vapor, number 3 liquid, number 4 liquid and vapor. Correct answer will be liquid and vapor. The invisibility of matter was proposed by number 1 Rutherford, number 2 Dalton, number 3 Vora, number 4 Einstein. Correct answer will be Dalton. Percentage of calcium in calcium carbonate is number 1 40, number 2 30, number 3 48, number 4 36. Correct answer will be 40. In which medium sound travel faster? Number 1 solid, number 2 liquid, number 3 gas, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be solid. Tuber crops are source of number 1 starch, number 2 sugar, number 3 protein, number 4 vitamin. Correct answer will be starch. First completely synthetic fiber is number 1 rayon, number 2 polyester, number 3 nylon, number 4 acrylic. Correct answer will be nylon. The lightest metal is number 1 gold, number 2 lithium, number 3 calcium, number 4 mercury. Correct answer will be lithium. Complete combustion take place in a candle frame in its number 1 inner zone, number 2 middle zone, number 3 outer zone, number 4 all of the above. Correct answer will be outer zone. Which of the following is considered as a fuel with the highest calorific value? Number 1 methane, number 2 LPG, number 3 petrol, number 4 hydrogen. Correct answer will be hydrogen. Napoleon was associated with which country? Number 1, French. Number 2, Spain. Number 3, Italy. Number 4, England. Correct answer will be French. In which year Suez Canal was opened for trade? Number 1, 1859. Number 2, 1869. Number 3, 1845. Number 4, 1679. Correct answer will be 1869. CRI is situated at dash. Number 1, Shimla. Number 2, Dharamshala. Number 3, Kasauli. Number 4, Masobra. Correct answer will be Kasauli. Swami Vivekanand Medical Institute is located at number 1, Tanda. Number 2, Shimla. Number 3, Solan. Number 4, Palampur. Correct answer will be Palampur. Which state of India is associated with saffron production? Number 1, Assam. Number 2, West Bengal. Number 3, Jammu and Kashmir. Number 4, Punjab. Correct answer will be Jammu and Kashmir. Who is current Lok Sabha Speaker? Number 1, Sumitra Mahajan. Number 2, Sushma Swaraj. Number 3, Balram Jakar. Number 4, Om Birla. Correct answer will be Om Birla. Who is the Union Finance Minister? Number 1, Jagat Prakash Nadda. Number 2, Arun Jaitley. Number 3, Prakash Javadekar. Number 4, Nirmala Sitharaman. Correct answer will be Nirmala Sitharaman. Which of the following award is given for excellence in sports coaching? Number 1, Sahitya Academy Award. Number 2, Dronacharya Award. Number 3, Arjuna Award. Number 4, Dada Sahab Phalke Award. Correct answer will be Dronacharya Award. Which among the following is the program launched in 2015 by the government keeping the female feticide in mind? Number 1, Beti Bachao Naam Kamao. Number 2, Beti Bachao Desh Bachao. Number 3, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Number 4, Beti Bachao Desh Banao. Correct answer will be Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Which of the state has the largest number of sugar mills in India? Number 1, Bihar. Number 2, Haryana. Number 3, Punjab. Number 4, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer will be Uttar Pradesh. To which deal was Auguste Westland associated? Number 1, submarine. Number 2, aircraft. Number 3, helicopter. Number 4, tank. Correct answer will be helicopter. Sriharikota is situated in number 1, Karnataka. Number 2, Odisha. Number 3, Andhra Pradesh. Number 4, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer will be Andhra Pradesh. From which city of China did the coronavirus start? Number 1, Shanghai. Number 2, Wuhan. Number 3, Beijing. Number 4, Guangzhou. Correct answer will be Wuhan. How many Rajya Sabha seats are there in Himachal Pradesh? Number 1, 5. Number 2, 4. Number 3, 3. Number 4, 2. Correct answer will be 3. Amazon rainforest is located number 1, Asia, number 2, North America, number 3, South America, number 4, Africa. Correct answer will be South America. Thanks for watching. Next part will be in the description. Follow for more.